Okay, so A2, this is lesson 2-2, example number 2. So again, that line with the little arrow over it, that's a ray. So that's ray AL, which is this thing right here that I highlighted in red. Ray AL bisects angle KAT. So I'm going to outline KAT in blue. KAT. So that guy gets cut in half because remember, bisect means cut into two equal parts. So that means that we know that this angle is equal to this angle. These are equal. That's terrible notation. We shouldn't do that. Okay. Find the value of the measure of angle KAL. So KAL is this one in purple. So this is the angle that we're looking for. We want to know what that angle measurement is. If the measure of angle LAT is 3x, so LAT, so that's this, so they're telling us this is 3x, and they're telling us that the measure of KAL, which is that angle I'm looking for right here, that one in purple, they're telling us KAL is 4x minus 15. Okay, so you might be thinking, well, they're telling us that angle KAL is 4x minus 15, so what is there to find? They actually want you to find the measurement. You need to solve for x somehow and find the measurement. So what do we know about bisect? What does it mean to bisect something? To bisect something means to cut it into two equal parts. So if this ray AL that we originally looked at, if this is cutting this angle into two equal parts, we know that angle KAL is going to be equal to angle, well, the measure of angle KAL is going to be equal to the measure of angle LAT. Because of bisect, right? Bisect means to cut in half into two equal parts. So those two things equal each other. Those two parts are equal to each other. So I can take the expression that they give me for KAL, which is that 4x minus 15, and set that equal to what they give me for LAT, which is that 3x. And now you have a little tiny baby equation that we can solve. Get all the x's on one side by subtracting that 4x over. So I'm left with negative 15 is equal to negative 1x. Divide by that negative 1 to get x is equal to 15. So now at this point, even though we did solve the equation and get x equals 15, we haven't answered the question. The question was asking us to find the value of the measure of angle KAL, which I will highlight in yellow. So they told us that KAL was equal to 4x minus 15. Well, I now know what x is, so I can use that to find the measure of angle KAL. So the measure of angle KAL is equal to 4x minus 15, and I now know that x is equal to 15. So 4 times 15 minus 15, and this is where you can jump to your calculator. 4 times 15, I'm pretty sure is going to give us 60, but I'll double check because why not? And then 60, take away that 15 would be 45. So the measure of angle KAL is equal to 45 degrees. And there we have our final answer. So again, just using the fact that bisect means to cut in half.